Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 30 weeks of a pocket letter, week 23. And week 23 will be, let's see, November 10th. So I used the little gnomes, and we all saw those. And everybody was like, oh my god, I want some. And that's it. These two sticker sets from the Dollar Tree. The gnomes and the pumpkins. So, and I had some ephemera pieces that I used in here, some little coffee buttons, some little other stickers. So, and this paper that I got off Etsy a year ago. So, you can see, little gnome. He's got his little cocoa and cookies. I have coffee there, because you know, pumpkin spice is out. You got the leaves, and you got a leaf back there, and put those pumpkins there. It says pumpkin spice. And then there's a little gnome that says fall, and got a little coffee cup and some more leaves. So that's the first row. Second row is the paper that says pumpkin spice, ginger, cinnamon. And then I got some ephemera. It's got some little stickers, leaves on. There's those stickers from the Dollar Tree. And then I got the one that says grateful and very thankful. Got two little coffee cups, some pumpkins, a leaf, and then there's some more pumpkins. Oh, and I got this ribbon going down the sides, you know, in different spots. And that's the second row. In the third row, of course, he's drinking his little coffee, or she is. She's got a little pumpkin in her hand, some leaves, a little coffee right there, got the ribbon. This is an apple one, some apples in there, some pumpkins there, some leaves. I got this one, she got cookies and apples and cocoa. Put coffee right there. Got the ribbon and a pumpkin, and that's how that row looks. That's how it looks. Oh. Oh, and then I got ribbon and some zigzag going down the edge. That's how that one looks. Of course, did the back. Back is just leaf paper. I used some orange ribbon and some zigzag, I don't know what you call it, white. And I went down, across, and then down. And I just used, oh, hang on. I have to grab another sticker set, my bad. I used this one. And I used the last little gnome from the set here. Alright. And thankful. So I got the sunflower, got some little stickers, zigzag, a little gnome and some leaves and a little coffee, the sunflower, just, so that's the first row. And then we have the pumpkin, got the little leaves, and the truck here, some little leaves, thankful, and then the little pumpkin. We have the deer and the little pie, got the envelope with the leaves in, we got the little basket, the mushrooms, and then, I don't remember what that's called. That's the bottom row. Here's the second row. Here's this first row. And then got the ribbon going down with some zigzag this time, but in white. Show it to you one more time. Slowly. And this is week 23. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, you know the drill, you know the saying. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, everybody. Have a good day.